Okay, I wanted to get this yawning thing that the black lab Ace and his daughter, the almost white lab, Dixie does. They yawn when I open the door and greet them in the mornings. So I wanted to get this on video. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Dixie. Hi, Dixie. Hey, Dixie. Hey, Butter. That's the mama. Hey, Butter. You gonna yawn anymore for me? Huh? Oh, yeah? Did you have a good night? Did you have a good night? Oh, you did? Whoa. Watch out, big boy. You've been good boy and girl? Whoa. Down, boy. Down. Hi, Butter. Hey, little mama. Hey, little mama. Good girl. Good girl. Good gracious. Hey, baby. Did you have a good night, Ace? Really? My goodness. You have a good night, Dixie? Huh? What is it? Oh. No, my good babies. Yes, y'all are. Yes.